Show me what you're just doing. Oh, watch out for sister. So what you doing? Walk us through what you're doing.
No, I'm washing clothes.
You're washing clothes. Did you put them in there? Where are you putting them in? Are you putting quarters or pennies?
Quarters and pennies.
No, just quarters. Okay, you stick it in. You wash it. Wait. Oh, you got more? Don't forget your dryer sheet or your washing powder. You put it at the top. Yep, right there. Now shut it. And then you push a button for which one? You only do this with the adult supervision. Nope, you just push one button. Just one. You gotta tell it hot, cold. So put on hot, the first one. Yep. And now press the green button. Because you already put your washing detergent in there. And then you wait and wait and wait and wait. Yep. And then you press the green button on that one. You gotta put your clothes in it. Put your money in it. And I guess you already put your detergent. Now you press one of the buttons. Well, this one you do right there. See that black thing? Right here, look, beside Mom. Look, right here. Right here, you put the detergent in these. Now sometimes they're up here on top. Oh. And then you push the hot button. And then you press start. Well, some clothes you can't wash on hot. Some of them you can. It'll shrink them. So let's get tired, huh? Okay, use that one. Gotta put your clothes in. Sorry. Ooh, Bella. So, you put your clothes in. Okay, look, you gotta put your detergent in first, Maddie. Yep. Now put your quarters in. And now push your warm button. Your middle button on this time. The middle one. Now press start. And wait and wait and wait. Woo, Bella. Whew. You're tired, I know. Well, say thank you for watching.